Hi, I'm Scott Schultz, Sales Director here at PSM Partners. PSM, we understand the unique challenges that the energy industry is facing today. We have experience working with multiple global clients, including a renewable energy company with 2,500 users. The energy sector is evolving with new technology, but aging infrastructure is challenging that modernization. PSM drives transformation to meet today's demands and unlocks a future of innovation. We provide comprehensive solutions from advanced cybersecurity, protect against threats, to modernizing infrastructure. Legacy technology simply cannot keep up with the emerging challenges. Our solutions help streamline work, optimize processes, and integrate new digital products. We enhance client security with comprehensive approaches essential for protecting assets. Those assets could be generation, transmission, distribution assets, or upstream, midstream, and downstream assets. From implementing projects while maintaining compliance with NERC CIP to architecting robust infrastructures in Azure and AWS, our key projects showcase our capabilities. PSM is a trusted technology partner for energy organizations. We have prioritized solving your challenges with effective technical solutions. Let PSM guide you in navigating these complexities and help you drive your business forward. Contact PSM today. Together we can power up for what's next.